There's so much more to cook with Vie Belles premium kitchenware and kitchen utensils. We have had the privilege of being one of the leading kitchenware and small appliance businesses from 2011. During this time, we grew our company and increased the number of our products. The quality and design of our cookware, knives, dinnerware, and other products are recognized around the world, inspiring cooks with the tools that support their culinary passion and loved by chefs. We want every customer experience to be fantastic with cutting-edge kitchenware and cookware products that heighten both the cooking and dining experience. Today, we manufacture approximately 1 million units, many of which are exported beyond the U.S. Vie Belles will continue to focus on developing and introducing innovative new products with unmatched quality and a timeless design that we have become recognized for.